Welcome to my channel Tech Info Card. Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to use both your wired and Bluetooth headset at the same time on your Windows PC? Maybe you are watching a movie with a friend who prefer their own headphones or sharing games. Whatever the reason, Windows only lets you use one audio device at a time. That means if you use wired headphone, Bluetooth headphones does not work. And if you connect Bluetooth headphones, wired headphones will not work. Well, fear not. Today, I am here to unlock the hidden potential of your PC and show you how to use both your wired and Bluetooth headsets simultaneously. We need to configure simple PC setting to solve this problem. Okay, so for that, first we need to connect wired and Bluetooth headphone to your PC. Here you can see I am using Bolt Audio Earbuds for Bluetooth headphone. Now after that, click on Start, then click on Settings. Now left hand side you will find System, click on this. Then you will have to click on Sound. Under Output you will find 3 output devices: speaker, Bluetooth headphone and Realtek audio headphone. Select headphone. Now scroll down and you will find more sound settings. Click on this. Once the sound property box will open, click on Recording tab. And here select Stereo Mix, make it enable and set it as a default device. Okay, so here if you cannot find Stereo Mix in the list, right click anywhere inside the Recording tab and select Show Disabled Device and Show Disconnected Device. Okay, after that right click on Stereo Mix and click on Properties. Once the Stereo Mix property box will open, click on Listen tab. Now check the box beside Listen to this device. After that, under Playback through this device, from the drop down menu, select the Bluetooth headphones that you are using. Okay, after that click on Apply and OK. Actually, Stereo Mix works as a bridge between your computer's audio and your Bluetooth headphones. It records the audio playing on your speaker or headphone out and then plays it back through your Bluetooth headphones, creating a duplicate audio stream. Okay, so that you can listen to the same audio on 2 different headsets simultaneously. Now I am going to test it out. Here you can see both the headphone and Bluetooth headphone showing audio burnt up. That means audio is coming out in both the output devices. Okay, and here if you want you can adjust the volume level accordingly. So that's it. You can now listen to music or watch video by using both wired and wireless headphone at the same time. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it with others. And if you have any question, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.